Hello children, welcome to Learn with Fun. Today's our session is Class 6 Science Fiber. Children, we all wear and enjoy different types of clothes. There are some special types of clothes which are worn during certain occasions, and some are season-based clothes like cotton clothes during the summer to keep us cool, woolen clothes like sweater, overcoat, shawls to keep our body warm during the winter season, and raincoats during the rainy season. These different types of clothes are all prepared from the fibers. So children, today in our session we are going to learn about what are fibers, classification of fibers, advantages of fibers, and at the end, points to remember. Now let us learn what are fibers. Fibers can be generally defined as the thread-like structures that are thin, long, and flexible strands. The two main sources of fibers are plants and animals. The obtained fibers are spun into yarns and then woven into the best fabrics. On average, a single long fiber can produce yarn for different types of fabric. Now children, let us learn about classification of fibers. Fibers are classified into two types: natural fibers, man-made fibers. Natural fibers are further classified into plant-based fibers, animal-based fibers, and mineral fibers. Man-made fibers also further classified as regenerated fibers and synthetic fibers. Now children, let us have a look on these types of fibers in detail. First one, natural fibers. The fibers obtained naturally from both plants and animals are termed as the natural fibers. These fibers are hair-like raw material directly obtainable from different plants and animals. Now let us learn what are the characteristics of natural fibers. Natural fibers can be twisted into yarn to make a fabric. They are comfortable and durable. They are highly capable of absorbing moisture. Natural fibers provide an excellent look and feel. The natural fibers are further classified into plant fibers, animal fiber, and mineral fiber. Now, plant fiber. The fibers obtained from the plant sources include cotton and jute, bamboo, coconut trees, flax seeds, Cannabis sativa plant species, vegetable fiber, cellulose-based, straw, nettle, ramie, wood, grains are different sources of plant fibers. Animal fibers. The fibers obtained from the animal sources include wool and silk. The animal fiber consists exclusively of proteins and the protective epidermal covering of animals. Sheep, camel, cashmere and mohair goats, rabbits, yak, silkworms, vicuna are the different sources of animal fibers. Now children, let us learn about mineral fibers. The inorganic materials shaped into fibers are known as mineral fibers. For example, asbestos. These fibers are resistant to fire and acid and are used for industrial applications. Now let us learn about the other type of fiber, that is man-made fiber. These fibers are artificially synthesized by humans within the industries in which the polymers are designed to make fabrics by the application of simple chemicals. These polymers are a macromolecule which are obtained or composed of joining small repeated subunits together. Rayon and nylon are the best examples of synthetic fibers. Others include acrylic, polyester and acetate. The first type of man-made fibers are regenerated fibers. These fibers are also known as semi-synthetic fibers. These are made of long-chain polymers which are modified by a chemical process to enable polymerization to form fibers. Examples of regenerated fibers are viscose rayon and bamboo. The next type of man-made fiber is synthetic fiber. These fibers are formed by the polymerization and monomers. Once a polymer is formed, it is converted into a fluid form. The dissolved or molten polymer is extruded through narrow holes to give filaments. The examples of synthetic fibers are polyester, acrylic and nylon. The last type of man-made fiber is inorganic fiber. These are also known as metallic fibers. They are obtained from silver, nickel, copper and gold. Now let us learn about advantages of natural fibers over synthetic fibers. Natural fibers are biodegradable. They have a low specific weight due to which they possess higher strength. Natural fibers possess good electrical resistance. They have skin friendly and cause no irritation. Natural fiber production requires less energy and emits low carbon dioxide. They possess good thermal and insulating properties. Now, points to remember. Fibers are defined as a thread-like structure. Fibers are classified as natural fiber and man-made fibers. The production of natural fibers require less energy and emits low carbon dioxide. Children, here ends today's session Fiber. If you're enjoying watching videos on our channel, do like, share, comment on our videos and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel Learn with Fun. Thank you.